Hi, I wanted to clear up some misunderstood concepts about inventory and cash versus accrual accounting. So publication 538 from the IRS has a section on page 13 that is for small business taxpayers. A small business taxpayer is any sole proprietor, S Corp, LLC that is not a tax shelter, and for this purpose is making under 25 million in gross sales. So the exception, so you have to keep some type of an inventory. You are allowed to expense your inventory, as I have said all along. It's expensing it as a non-incidental material or supply. So saying that means a non-incidental, the definition of non-incidental is items that for which you keep a record of consumption, or which an inventory could be kept. So not like ink, not like pens. It's something that if you were manufacturing something, then it would be all the little parts to put the thing together. For example, in this particular, or for our purposes as resellers, we can expense the items. But when I have shown you an example of keeping your average cost of goods, where you keep your total number of amount of items purchased along with the total sale of that item, the total purchase of that item, excuse me, then you are maintaining an average cost of goods, and you are maintaining you are maintaining an inventory. So you can look at how many items that you have listed, how many items that you've sold. And if the IRS was to come to you, then you can say the amount of items that I have is X. So you could literally say, I have 1,000 items on eBay, and I have 500 items in my possession that I'm getting ready to list, and 1,500 items times the however much your average cost of goods is. So we'll just say $5 would be your inventory that you are maintaining. So you are still following the rules by keeping an inventory where it is not a detailed inventory. It never says it has to be a detailed inventory. It just says that you need to be keeping some method of inventory in order to comply with this publication 538 from the IRS that will cover both your financial statement and it will cover your taxes. So you are by keeping an average cost of goods where you're totaling however many pieces that you have versus the total amount that you purchased. And then you can look at your eBay and say, I have this many, and you can literally count the number of items that you have in your possession. You are, in fact, keeping an inventory, and you are legally okay. I hope that helps clear something up, and I will see you in the group.